From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is ACOs, or Accountable Care Organizations. We've been hearing a lot about accountable care organizations, and Bon Secours has been working behind the scenes to be part of this wave of innovative care. Last year, BSHSI submitted an application to the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. The purpose of the application was to participate in an accountable care organization for the Medicare Shared Savings Program. And on January 10, 2013, BSHSI officially announced its participation in the program as one of the 106 new accountable care organizations in Medicare. The name of the ACO? Good Helpcare. So, Bon Secours is now part of a movement ensuring that as many as 4 million Medicare beneficiaries across the United States now have access to high-quality coordinated care. According to Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius, accountable care organizations save money for Medicare and deliver higher quality care to people with Medicare. Thanks to the Affordable Care Act, more doctors and hospitals are working together to give people with Medicare the high-quality care they expect and deserve. And here's something we found interesting. Since the first CMS ACOs have been approved about a year ago, the HHS is reporting that the Affordable Care Act provisions are already having a substantial effect on reducing the growth of Medicare spending. Interested in finding out more about ACOs? You can read the complete Good Helpcare press release on Iris. Look for the BSHSI News stories on the BSHSI Welcome page, or on the BSHSI Facebook page, you can read the complete press release as well as learn about the Pioneer ACO program and what it means to healthcare today. In 2010, 3M identified Bon Secours Health System as the Innovator of the Year for a reason. Healthcare is changing, and Bon Secours is in the forefront, providing good help through the Good Helpcare ACO. In other news, flu season is upon us and is hitting the U.S. hard this year. According to the CDC, the flu hit early this year and much harder than last year. Additionally, this year's strains are more virulent, resulting in more deaths across the U.S. But it's not too late to do something about the spread, and getting vaccinated is an important first step. The CDC recommends that everyone 6 months and older get a flu vaccine each year. But it is particularly important for healthcare workers like you to get vaccinated. Why? So you don't help spread the disease, and it's the right thing to do for our patients and families. So, by following these simple but effective rules, you can help reduce the spread of influenza. First, get vaccinated, but also wash your hands often and thoroughly throughout the flu season. Stay at home if you are sick. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when sneezing, then throw the tissue away after you use it. And avoid touching your face, eyes, nose, mouth while you are sick. Providing good help starts with healthy Bon Secours employees. Please help us be good help by doing your part to prevent the spread of influenza. Finally, each year Bon Secours Health System celebrates Recognition Day. Recognition Day marks the anniversary of the founding of the Sisters of Bon Secours in Paris on January 24, 1824. On that day, the Sisters of Bon Secours dedicated themselves to minister and provide comfort to those who were sick and dying in their homes. Recognition Day celebrates the ministry of the Sisters of Bon Secours and the gifts of the system's co-workers in ministry. For everyone at Bon Secours Health System, it's a special day of remembrance and celebration. This year, Recognition Day will be celebrated throughout Bon Secours Health System on Thursday, January 24th. As always, this year's celebration recognizes our heritage and remembers our call to be good help to those in need. Look for announcements locally to participate in your local Recognition Day celebrations. The ministry of the Sisters of Bon Secours began in 1824 and continues today through you and your co-workers. From all of us here at BSN Headline News, thank you for everything you do every day. Good help to those in need comes in many forms, but it certainly does not come without you. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.